Welcome to Scalable. You just got access to the very first AI platform that creates optimized content for e-commerce. From research to strategy to finished images, all in one flow. Until now, creating great product content meant hiring designers, strategists, copywriters, and photographers. Weeks of coordination, thousands of dollars per listing, and even then, no guarantee it actually converts. Scalable replaces the entire process. You just add a product, AI analyzes hundreds of reviews, your competitors and your images, and builds a complete content strategy. Then it generates the listing, the copy, everything. No prompting, no design, no guessing, just 15 minutes. And here's the thing, you get unlimited image generations and unlimited revisions. Create as many versions as you want. Amazon listings, A+ content, social posts, ads, one platform for everything your brand needs. You have a flat fee per product. No hourly rates, no surprises. To help you to get most out of it, I've built a tutorial section. Step by step, every feature, best practices you can use to train your team. Start with add product, that's where everything begins. Let's go. Let's get started with Scalable. This is your home screen, and on the left-hand side, you have your site navigation. It's split in two areas. The creative, where you can create Amazon product listing images, ads, social posts, etc. Then we have the strategy part. It's all about the data and the insights of the product. Then you have the advisor agent. This is a chat that is context aware and can help you with strategy and some knowledge files you can add that your agent chat works better. Then you have the support one, and then you can find the tutorial section here. This is an admin one, this is mine. Here you can log in, log out, and access the settings. At the top one, you just find upgrade plan, you can find the referral area, and you see how many credits you have. Also, you have a search that works for all your products that you have in your database. In the center now, to get started, you have to probably add your first product. Currently, you have two options. The first option is you add a product that is listed on Amazon. You have to add the ASIN, select the marketplace, and your report language. The report language defines which kind of language your whole insights will be, your copy of your listing images, etc. So just enter all the information and start your analysis. It will take approximately 15 minutes until the product is available. I will cover everything in the next videos. Then the second option is if there is no active listing anywhere, if it's a new launch, you can add it here by manually putting in the information that are needed to run an analysis. The more information you put in, the better. Also, you can upload up to 8 images. The first one is the thumbnail, and as you see here, it's like everywhere on Amazon or Shopify, just adding a list. Currently, the workaround is if you're listed on Shopify or other marketplaces worldwide, you can go here and set up a new product. So the only difference is that we scrape Amazon reviews from Amazon, and if you have a new launch, you don't have any reviews. But I will cover this topic in a separate video. So here you see all your products, you can like them, you can create comparison charts, and also you can access the demo products I provided you so you can check out basically without having a product added. You can search, you can switch the brands, and that's basically the main feature. So let's get to the next one.